The more we continue to use Siri, the better it gets at recognizing your voice and the preferences for what you're asking. However, if you're noticing that Siri isn't working well, doesn't recognize your voice, or constantly gives you a poor experience, this video tutorial is for you. Let's learn how to reset and retrain Siri. Welcome to Ellen's Tips for iOS, where I help seniors master their iPhones and iPads. If you find the video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To reset Siri on your iPhone or iPad, you'll want to open the Settings app, scroll down until you see Siri. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you're going to tap on Talk to Siri. Once we do that, we're going to select the off section so that there's a check mark by that. And now we've turned off Siri, so Siri will no longer receive commands. Our next step is going to be turning off dictation. Dictation and Siri work hand in hand. If you're new to dictation, you should know that it allows you to enter text using your voice when you don't want to use the keyboard on the screen. To use dictation, you'll tap the microphone near the text field and begin speaking. Let me show you how that works. I'm going to open the Messages app. I'm going to tap, I'm going to cancel that, and I'm going to tap on a new message. I'm going to tap into the text field, and I'm going to tap on the microphone in this lower right corner. As soon as I do, once I begin speaking, the microphone picks everything up and it dictates everything onto the screen for me. I'm going to stop that for now, and I'm going to cancel that and swipe out of Messages. Since our goal is to reset Siri, let's deactivate dictation so that the data it's collected is deleted. So to do this, we're going to go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone or your iPad. We're going to scroll down and tap on General. We're going to scroll down and tap on Keyboard. And now we're going to locate Enable Dictation, and we're going to toggle that switch off. So I'll do that. And then you have to confirm that. So I'll go ahead and say turn off dictation. And that's all you need to do. The next step in this process is to delete your Siri history and data. Siri and dictation data of your voice commands are stored on your device or Apple servers to offer an improved and personalized experience. To complete the reset process, you should delete this data so you can start fresh. And to do that, we'll go back and we'll open the Settings app. And you can do this on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down until you see Siri. Go ahead and tap on that. Now we're going to scroll down until we see Siri and dictation history. I'm going to tap on that. And now I'm going to go ahead and tap Delete Siri and Dictation History. I'm going to have to confirm that, so I'll go ahead and tap that again to confirm that. And then once we've completed those steps, it's time to set up Siri again. So now we're going to start the process of setting Siri up again. And to do that, we probably should restart our iPhone before we do anything. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can press and hold on the power button and volume up button at the same time, but a lot of people have a hard time doing that. So the easiest way for seniors would be to open the Settings app, tap on General, scroll to the bottom, tap on Shutdown. I can show you that, and then slide to Power Off. I'm going to cancel that, but if you've done that and you've powered the device off, then all you have to do to power it back on is to hold the side button or the power button on the side of your iPhone for about 15 seconds, and that will restart your device. So let's come back out of that. And so we've restarted our iPhone. The next part of the process is we want to set up Siri again. So we're going to go back to the Settings app. We're going to tap on that. We're going to locate Siri and tap on Siri. And now we're going to choose where we turned off Talk to Siri. We're going to toggle that on. And then you can choose either Siri or Hey Siri or just Hey Siri. I'm going to choose Siri or Hey Siri. And once I do, now it's going to come up and I have to go ahead and follow the instructions on screen. So I'll tap on Continue, and the iPhone is going to give me some prompts to use. So I'm going to tap Continue, and then I'll begin. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And so now I'm finished with the process. You may want to do this in a quiet setting so that Siri can better hear your voice. But that's pretty much it for setting up Siri without having any difficulties resetting and retraining Siri. If you're still having problems with Siri, say maybe you're not hearing Siri speak back to you when you give it a prompt, the first thing you should check is to see if Siri is no longer speaking to you is the voice setting. So as you can see, Siri is recognizing my iPhone when I talk, but to check this voice setting, we're going to go ahead and open the Settings app. We're going to tap on Siri. We're going to select Siri Responses. And then we're going to take a look at this spoken responses. So you can choose automatic or prefer spoken responses. You might want to change it up and see if that helps with the Siri feedback. So now you can see that with a simple reset and careful setup, you can ensure Siri responds more effectively to your commands. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.